Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this XIAOMI Poco F4 GT smartphone, and in this video we are going to show how you can download and get the Opera browser on this device. So first of all, you gotta open up the Play Store itself. Here at the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, tap on this green install button that is located in front of the Opera, and all that it's left to do is to wait until the application will get downloaded and installed. As you can see, it will not take a lot of time, so we'll just wait. Next, you can just go ahead and open up the Opera itself. Here, tap on the continue button. Next, you'll be provided with an opportunity to choose whether some of the features this browser has to offer you want them to be enabled from the start, or you can skip them and configure later. In my case, I'll enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip setting Opera as the default browser step. Here I'll click on allow, press on done, and we are all set. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.